OpenClaw is blowing up online right now. It can automate your entire life through Telegram, Slack, or Discord, but everyone is installing it completely wrong. Most people think you need to spend hundreds of dollars on a Mac Mini to run it, but you don't. So today, I'm going to show you the absolute safest and easiest way to set this up on a VPS for a fraction of the cost. The one we're going to use today is hosting a VPS. I'll have a link for the page in the description down below. Their VPS is going to give you full root access, a dedicated CPU and RAM, and it starts about $5 a month, which is roughly 100 times cheaper than buying a dedicated Mac Mini. So let's get into the setup. I've dropped a link in the description that takes you straight to a custom one-click OpenClaw deployment page. When you open the VPS plans drop-down, I highly recommend just choosing KVM2. It gives you 2 CPU cores and 8 GB of RAM. That is more than enough power to run OpenClaw flawlessly. Once you select KVM2, just hit deploy, and this will take you straight into the cart page. Alright, once you're on the cart page, the very first thing I want you to do is to uncheck this ready to use AI box. We're going to use our own Anthropic API key. It gives us way more control and keeps our ongoing API cost as low as possible. Before you finish, go over the order summary and click on have a coupon code. Make sure to enter my custom code to get an extra discount on top of whatever sale they are currently running. I'll add my discount code in the description below. Once your discount is applied, hit that purple continue button to enter your billing details. Once that processes, Hostinger drops you right into the OpenClaw configuration screen. This is where we're going to add our brains. So I'm going to paste in my Anthropic API key for Claude. You don't need to fill out everything right now, we can just configure the rest later. Hit deploy. Hosting is going to take a few minutes to build the server, but once it's done, you'll see your OpenClaw project is officially running. But before you click the URL to open it, scroll down to your environmental variables and copy your OpenClaw Gateway token. This is basically your master password. Now that you've got that, click the URL link to navigate to OpenClaw and paste your token. And now we're officially inside of OpenClaw. Now I'm going to leave this mistake in. So if you type hi and it gives you a completely blank response, do not panic, your server isn't broken. This almost always means that your API key is out of credits. I actually had $0 in my account and I had to go top it up before it started working. Once I loaded my credits, I typed new to clear the cache and start fresh. It wakes up with a completely blank memory. Now we need to give it an identity. I'll tell it, I am Chris and you are OpenClaw. Watch what happens here. It actually writes our identities to its local markdown memory files. It won't forget who we are. Next, tell it to set up Telegram. It will guide you through the exact steps. So jump over to Telegram and search for botfather, and then create a new bot. Once you're done, copy that HTTP API token and paste it directly into the OpenClaw chat. Give it a second to think, and it will spin up the server and ask for a pairing request code. This is the secure handshake. So go to your new Telegram bot that you've just created, hit start, and it will give you a pairing code. Paste this code back into OpenClaw to authorize the connection. We're now integrated. So let's test it by saying hi. Look at that, it knows our name. So let's ask it, what is the weather in Sydney? And watch this, it instantly replies saying it's 20 degrees Celsius. You now have a fully autonomous, persistent AI agent living in your pocket. We've now completed the setup of OpenClaw in an isolated VPS. You now have a fully autonomous, persistent AI agent living in your pocket. It's sandboxed, secure, and running 24/7 for only a few dollars per month. Now asking an AI about weather is a cool party trick, but if you actually want this bot to manage your calendar, qualify your leads, and automate your entire agency, you have to connect it to n8n. You need to learn how to build the actual agentic workflows behind this bot. Click on the playlist right here, and I will walk you through exactly how to build advanced AI agents in n8n from complete scratch. Click that playlist and I'll see you in the next workflow.